Hello guys, today we are going to study lesson 13, which is about falling wedge. Yeah, so this is the chart pattern, very important for you guys to analyze. We call it TA, or technical analysis on graph in cryptocurrency. This is the resistance. This is the support. So I analyze the cake USDT, cake pair USDT. So here, sorry. Okay, again, re resistance. So this line is resistant. So I copy this one. So this one is support. Okay, so the line is not twin line. Twin line is like this. Twin line. Twin line is like this. You just copy this one and the same this one. Twin line, or like this. Rising. But in our lesson, it's not twin line. See? If you copy this one, example, if you copy this one, clone this one. So see, this line is not the same. So we draw this line from here, and this one is checkpoint, and this one is become support. Yeah. Checkpoint, resistance. So it can be the falling wedge. This is support, and this is resistance. So you draw this rectangle and clone this rectangle to this point, and then you know where to buy the price where to buy. So you can buy. So there are two options. Okay, I will explain you. So if it break here, you can buy at this price. But if it not break, the resistance will break the support. Break the support here, you can buy at this point. You can set OCO. There are 2 points. So what is the importance of falling wedge? The importance of falling wedge is you know where to buy the price, where to position the price. Okay, so if it break the support, you can buy at this 5.32. But if it break the support, you can break the resistance, you can buy at this point 5.98. Yeah. So that are important of the falling wedge. Again, you draw the resistance, support, and the rectangle from support to resistance, and pass it. down here. If it break the resistance, you can buy it here 5.98. But if it break the support, you can buy it here. You can copy this one. Okay, so again, when you during this this price, you can set like this OCO. You can set OCO. We have, I forgot, we have a OCO. Okay, so we have price, we have stop, we have limit. Okay, amount and total. Okay, so back in our chart. So when you doing this price, you can set, so you can set where to buy it. You can set by the lowest here. If it break the support, you can buy this one 5.32. Okay, and then stop where stop is okay. So example, if you the current price is this one 5.84, so you can set stop. It's nearly the resistance that you can buy this one. Okay, stop is 5.7 like this. Okay, so you can set limit 5.38, and this is the coin and your amount. Example, you buy $1,000. Okay, that the how to set OCO when you draw the falling wedge. Okay, so if it fall down to this price, so you can buy this automatically. If not, it break the resistance, come up here, it will buy this price for you with $1,000. That's cool. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.